Now introducing RE5, with support for direct PCB Gerber file import. There's no need to export to another program. Simply load your Gerber and drill files directly with the laser. The system automatically processes the Gerber files, isolating them and preparing them for PCB production. Using a UV laser, drill holes can be cut directly into the copper-clad material from the drill file. Once the top side is complete, flip the PCB over. You can then align the bottom layer to the already processed top layer with high precision. Using the camera capture, define your fiducial points directly on the PCB. These fiducials allow the system to accurately register both sides of the board. Alignment points can also be specified directly within the file, telling the system exactly which features should match your fiducials. With the click of a button, the system automatically aligns the design to the existing drill holes. The standard system achieves alignment down to 25 microns, and with a precision camera, even down to 1 micron, all while keeping your files secure on the machine. With a UV laser under $20,000, you can produce double-sided PCBs with incredible accuracy, cutting both traces and drill holes while perfectly aligning both layers.